Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today, I'm going to show you how to actually delete away another user from your Windows access. You want to maybe remove a user, your family member who has access to your laptop, or you have actually created a second account, that auto account you actually want to remove. Okay, before I start, if you are new to my channel, to click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. Thanks. Okay, first, I need you to search for control panel. Control panel. Open up the control panel. Under the user account, users account, click on users account. User account. Okay, click on manage account. Manage account. Okay, I'm actually now logging to this Janice. I have another account, Janice on. I want to delete this account. So I just click delete account. Because when you create a profile, the look and feel interface is different. And your documents, favorites, pictures, all these things, folders will be gone once you delete. So the Windows asks you to actually save the contents. If you want, you better save it. Keep the files. You can click the files or you want to delete. For me, I'm going to delete it. Okay, I'm going to click delete. I'm going to delete away the account. Delete away the account. Will take quite a while. Delete all the files. Hmm. Oh, just now I sign in. I need to log out. And delete. Okay, now it's deleted. Okay, now it's deleted. So now I have only one local account. That's it. If you find this useful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.